What's up, Psycho High? Happy Thursday. I'm your host, Kylie, and you're watching the Spartan Minute. The high school band will be performing tonight at 7:30, as well as on Monday, December 16th, the high school and 8th grade choir and orchestra performing at 7:30 p.m. Go cheer on your fellow Spartans. Spartans, finals are less than a week away. Make sure you study at least 10 to 15 minutes a day to help you do your best on your final. A great studying opportunity is Cookies and Cram, taking place in the cafeteria on December 17th, right after school till 5 p.m. Come cheer on boys and girls bowling at Mardi Gras Lanes out in DeKalb today at 4. Varsity wrestling is at LaSalle, Peru at 6:30. Be sure to wish them luck. Would you like to host the Spartan Minute? If so, email Mr. Anderson at maanders@syc427.org to sign up. Thanks for joining me here today on the Spartan Minute. All the news and announcements you need in just 1 minute.